Market is about to close today, about 9 minutes left until the stock market closes, 9 minutes till 4 o'clock Eastern. The futures will stay open 15 minutes after that. Let's look at the trades on the day. Adaptive moving average is down on the day, started out on the short side, and then now it is long, minus 300 on the day in this workspace. 60-minute breakout is long, plus 662. Took this breakout trade. Trying to approach all-time highs. The NASDAQ is there today. The E-mini S&P, the S&P is not there today, but closing in on all-time highs as well. Trying to get through 3350. Might be one of those gap up nights, possibly. The big trade on the day in this workspace was gap continuation in Q, plus 875. It exits at 2:30 Central Time. Nice trade on that strategy. There were only 3 trades in this workspace. Let's look at the All Strategy Access 2. Big trade on 60-minute breakout in Q. It's already hit its profit target, plus 975 on that trade. And I love this QS3. It only made 875, but it did it so fast. It's actually, it feels like the trade of the day. Even though 60-minute breakout was up $100 more, the speed in which it made this is, impressive. Impressive move in the market, really, to do this last night and then come back, go sideways and then come back. Three bull legs, 3 bullish moves off the lows here during the Asian session, and then sideways until the U.S. Open, and then chopping during the day, and then last 2 hours of trade, we start the last leg up. It's a little more protracted than the others, running out of steam a little bit. But we'll see. I think, the NASDAQ wanted that 9,500. Now they have it, and they'll probably be looking at 10,000 next. Another 500 points. That's not very far. It's gone up, 500 points in the last couple of weeks. So could easily 10,000, and the NASDAQ is within striking distance. And so these are some of the strategies that can catch that. The QS3, the breakout. You want to trade those if you can. And All Strategy Access 3, Asia Gold short. And so still open, plus 240 on that trade, still open. Cobra Euro, minus 325 down on the day. Soybean swing, minus 325. Natural gas, the only trade in this workspace. SR Counter Trend 3, chopped all week, finally hit its profit target at the open on Sunday night. This is one of those scenarios where if you exited on Sunday night and exited on Friday and tried to get back in on Sunday night, you missed this. You would miss this profit target. So that's what you have to think about when you do that. Last Sunday, if you would have exited on Friday and then got back in at the open, it would have benefited you. So I think over time it'll even out, and in the future I'll have some tests to show us what the results would be. So let's see here. What else? All Strategy Access 5, no trades. Market is surging here into the close. The S&P wants 3350, and you see 60-minute breakout is close to its profit target, about 4 points away. 33.52 would be the profit target. Just a strong market. Let's take a look at the market internals. Here are the market internals on the day. NYSE tick is not that strong, kind of sideways. It ended up down, came back up. The high is 625, the low is minus 582. Not a lot of strong surges in the NYSE tick today. So a little surprised to see the market do what it's doing on days like today when the advanced decline line and tick. The price is the ultimate fundamental, though, and that NASDAQ, like we said, went for 9,500, got it. Now it's going to try to go for 10,000. And if you look back, when was the last time it went 500 points? And that was, I don't have enough data in this window. Let's go to 60-minute charts. And so if you go to a 60-minute chart, it was at 9,000 at the beginning of February. It sold off to the 9,000 level, and just 10 days later, it's up at 9,500. So, it could be at 10,000 by the end of the month. Don't be surprised if it is. Such a strong market, strong tech rally. So that's the update today. I have the Tradestation 10 platform workspaces all set up as well, and I'm going to make another video to show you that, so you can see pretty much it's exactly the same. The strategies are exactly the same in that workspace, except Tradestation 10 just looks a little bit different. So this surge into the end is helping adaptive moving average. It's also in on this trade. I left that trade out. These are the two trades that are left in: adaptive moving average and 60-minute breakout.